for the Greenbrier Express. It is going to be a beautiful day for traveling up the Greenbrier River. Over the former Durbin route, we are so glad to have you with us this morning. I've got some housekeeping details. So that's our generator and our conductor station where he uses the radio and so forth. Then we've got car number 202 and 3607. Now these two coaches, when they were built in early 1920s, they were used on the Delaware Line, the Water Western Line, and were commuter cars built for the electrified New Jersey. Now that the locomotive was not required at that time until electricity was. So right now we are electric. So now as we go up, please don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions, and I thank you for your attention.
I'm checking for rattlesnakes in the rocks.
You let me know when you see something.
Right in there.
8 miles to keep us going off the rails. So that they'll be doing that also. We cannot get on the train. Once again, I need to emphasize, we cannot smoke or vape or anything.
A new roof on it. No, it's old rusty roof, isn't it?
The river's actually over there.
What's this, a creek?
Oh, snake, rattlesnake, right there by the rail.
Oh, dang, I missed it.
It's
Dang
black
it.
one.
Oh, she said they usually see one.